guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with no one. I'm not even playing with anyone right now. And if you see this video, then this IKEA game might be deleted. So yeah. So I just made a beautiful house. This is the entrance in case a monster is getting you. You can just hop on top of this, and you have your PS5 here. And I have a huge television. Yeah. And I have so much. Look how much medkits I have. Food and water. And I have even this much medkits. Oh yeah, my boy Rush is here. Oh yeah, also that. Oh yeah, you can't go through this cause it's a wall thing. Yeah. If when we get to night, I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the night. So yeah. My boy Rush is here. Yeah. I'm just giving a tour around the house. So you just say right here. You can watch it. I don't have a controller for here. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm thinking about putting a bed right here. Putting a wall right there for another guest. Oh yeah. Hear this.
That was easy.
That's beautiful.
That was easy. That was easy. That was
So
easy.
yeah. If you see this video, if you see this video, if I text or put it on YouTube, then if you see it, then say bye to my base, cause then it's gonna get deleted and I'm gonna have to make a new one. So yeah, I was getting food, but I just like a lot. Yeah. So yeah, and I don't even have energy. It's kind of a lot of work stacking them. You had to drop all of them right here and pick it up and put it right there. That was so much work. Even here, that's too. But I'm so glad that that I made this vase. Yeah. Yeah. So if you I'm just saying, if you just see this video get published, then say bye bye to this vase, cause this vase is just like you know, it's just like I'm just gonna, yeah. Oh hell no, it's bloody night, guys. Look. Oh yeah. So yeah, let's turn the lights off to show you it's blood night. Oh my god. No, I didn't. Rush is red. Oh my god. Okay. So this is what it looks like in the dark. Bye. Oh, Michael Jackson, you scared me. Turn it back on. Whoop. Oh yeah, beautiful here. So yeah, I was thinking of playing with someone in this game, but I'm gonna have to start my work all over again. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a screenshot because this looks funny. So yeah, I'm gonna take a screenshot. Screenshot! Oh, that's a beautiful screenshot. Another one. Screenshot! Okay. Just have to get. Oh no, guys, someone's hello. Guys, help me! There's a monster up there. Look, I'm gonna look for his. I can see his little toes. He's up there. We can't even get me, bro. This kid's so weak.
Excuse me.
Okay, he's not weak. He's not weak. So, yeah. Happy face, you're gonna turn into a mad face. Oh heck no. Somewhere. They're like over there somewhere, yeah. Okay, so yeah guys. This is gonna be the outro, so bye. Oh yeah, if you again, I don't know why I'm so annoying, but I am sometimes. But yeah, this is the entire tour, so yeah. I'm gonna die anyways because my hunger is at 10. So yeah, this is the end of the video, the outro. So yeah. Okay, guys. So subscribe to my channel. It's called Snoopy's Police Car. Yeah, Snoopy's Police Car. Shut up. Yeah. So bye, bees. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna type in the chat that anyone who comes here in this location can have the anyone can have this just come here. Oh yeah, I better start. My base is at F.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Okay, so bye guys. You can kill me anyways. So bye. What the heck? Bro. I'm sorry. Bye, brother. See you.